Hi, this is a quick video just to show you how to use the Play Store on a Chromebook. I'm using a Lenovo Chromebook. So down here at the bottom, you can see that there's the Play Store symbol. And if you open that up, you can go to the search bar where I searched for MIT App Inventor Companion. And you can recognize it by this icon. You will probably see the choice for install. You'll also see that you can join this beta group if you'd like to. I'm just going to open it up. Once I open it up, I'm looking at it as if it were an Android, and I'm going to go back to Chrome and back to the app that I'm working on. So I'm going to be using a Black History quiz that has a list picker in it, which I thought would be good for just showing what the examples are like. I'm over here on the block side, so let me click and go to the designer side. And here on the designer side, you can see that this is what I'm going to be looking at over here. I'm going to go to connect, and I am going to say okay for this. And I'm going to connect choosing the AI companion. And then I'm going to type in this 6-digit code. And I'm going to click connect with code. And when I click connect with code, I'm just going to wait for it to load. You can also use the legacy version, which depending on the apps, sometimes loads a little bit faster. And now I'm looking over here at my app. Here is the first question. The task is to try to identify who the person is. If I click on next, it looks like I had an unstable connection. So a little annoying, but that's okay. I'm gonna do it again and refresh the connection. So again, I'm getting that pop-up that the connection has disconnected. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to the AI companion again. And then over here, I'm going to type in the code. This time I'm going to use the legacy connection. And I'm going to connect with that code. I'm looking at the same picture. This time I am going to press next, and that was successful. I'm going to choose the right answer, but I'm actually going to choose the wrong answer. So I know that's not Angela Davis, but I'm going to choose that. And here I can see that I successfully got the missed answer. I'm going to choose another one, and I'm going to choose the right answer again. This time I am going to pick a different answer. And as I'm reading through my list, I can see that another issue is that I can't see all the answers. So I know who that is, but I can't see the response. So let me try this next one. Here I am going to choose Ruby Bridges, and I can see that I got it correct and I got a point there. So what I'm going to be doing next is going back into my code, going over to the block side and figuring out how I can fix the problems that I recognized while testing my app.